Hey y'all, welcome to my Saturday morning clean with us video. I have not done a cleaning video in quite a while, and so today me and Courtney are going to be doing some cleanup around the house. We're going to be cleaning in the kitchen and in the living room area, and Courtney is helping me. So we're starting out first with unloading the dishwasher, and once we're done with that, then we're going to reload it with all of the dirty dishes. So let's get started.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Y'all, since it's Saturday morning, we are still in pajamas. We are comfortable, but we're getting things done. And Courtney seems to like to really help when she can be on camera, so I am very happy to let her help me.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh yeah, take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
Y'all, one of the chores that I dislike, other than mopping, I dislike mopping, is doing dishes. So I'm thankful that we have a dishwasher, and today actually Courtney is helping me load the dishwasher, so that is a good thing, helping Mama out, because it feels like since school has started back, man, I'm cooking and cleaning and cooking and cleaning and doing laundry just non-stop. So it was nice to have a helper this morning.
Yeah, be free, be free, be free.
Y'all, I was sent something that I have been wanting for quite a while now, and it is a cordless vacuum. Elechomes sent me this cordless stick vacuum, and Courtney was excited to try it out. She was showing you the box right there, so she is picking up the living room. Y'all, we always have tons of blankets because we love to use blankets when we're snuggled up on the couch. And so anyways, this vacuum, y'all, I am really liking it. Like I said, it's made by the company Elechomes, which I will have linked down in the description box. And they have sent me a 40% off code that you can use. I will put the code and the date that it's good through. It's not good for very long, I'm sorry. I think it's only good through the 10th, but I will put that across the screen for y'all. But the vacuum is a lot less priced than some of the ones that are very popular. But so far, I have had no problems out of it. I have been using it. Today was our first time to use it, but I have used it a few other times, and it seems to do a really good job. And the battery, I just wanted to let y'all know we had charged it up completely, and we were able to vacuum in this whole living room area, our area that's next to it where my coffee bar is, and the entire kitchen, and in my laundry room. I didn't show that in the video, but I did vacuum in there, and it still had, I believe, 30%. Okay, y'all, I'm going to show y'all how I put the battery on. It reminds me of a drill battery. My son was like, oh, it looks like a drill battery. No. So you just, it just slides.
It's like
There. does come with a little holder that you can attach to the wall to hang your vacuum up. I have not put mine up yet because I haven't decided where. Right now I need to rearrange my laundry room, and that may be a video that I will be recording soon because it is a mess. I have like no room for anything, so I want to put it in there. And of course it comes with a charger, so you can charge the vacuum right there on the stand. It has where you can turn off the brush. The brush is good for carpets, and then when you're on the hardwood floor you turn that brush part off. It has a high power mode, so if things are more dirty. So yeah, and you can take, it has some attachments. You can take off the bottom part there. You can make it into like a small handheld. There are so many different things you can do with this. And I will show more in future videos. Today's video was just more of a quick get things done, but I wanted to show y'all this vacuum. And my daughter loves candles. So on this day, she was showing y'all this candle. She wanted to light it for y'all. And I wanted to show y'all what we like to use. I buy these little, I think it's Scripto or Script. I don't even know how you pronounce it because my camera would not focus in. But I like to buy these lighters at the Dollar Tree. They work very good. And since they're a little bit longer, they're easy. It makes it easy to light your candles. And so if you have a Dollar Tree near you, go pick you some up. I love them.
I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
And so now it was my turn to vacuum with this. And like I said again, I know I keep repeating myself, but I really am happy with this vacuum. I really do like it. But anyways, I just thought I would also let y'all know, in case you're new to my channel, I do What's for Dinner videos every single Friday, 8 a.m. Central Time. I also will do grocery hauls at least every week or every other week. And I do like to do cleaning videos. I just haven't done as many lately because of the summer. Life was so busy. So I'm going to try to get back into the swing of making those maybe every week. Let me know, let me know, y'all, down in the comments below if you enjoy cleaning videos. And would you like to see a whole house cleaning, or do you want it to be specific to like certain rooms? Give me some ideas of what y'all like.
Sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
And also really quickly, in a minute, I'm going to show you how to empty the trash out of the vacuum. I did not show because I haven't done it yet, but they do encourage you to take out the filter and rinse it out and then let it air dry for at least 24 hours before you put that back in and vacuum. I felt like since it was the first time and it wasn't like terrible, I did not clean the filter. But that is encouraged, and it's very easy to do. When you open it up, you just kind of twist and it will come out. You'll see in the video I did kind of mess around with it, but I just left it alone. But I just thought I'd let y'all know that it does come with the filter, and it actually come with some extra stuff for cleaning, like the brushes and things like that. It does come with some little tools to help clean that stuff up too. Okay, I want to come over here to the trash can and show y'all all of the stuff in here. And you just open this like so, and there, look at all that. And then I'm just gonna pull you over here. Ignore my trash can. There you go.
Yeah.